name is Joseph, and this is gonna be my first YouTube video. This is my car. It's a 1999 Honda Civic Si. As you can see, it's crashed. I got hit a few months ago by some lady pulling out of a driveway. She straight slammed into me, sent me through 7 lanes of traffic. She snapped my axle. What I'm gonna do basically is, within this weekend, I'm gonna rip out this engine. Right here, this is the V16A A2 from the Civic Si EM1s, and I'm gonna put it in my Integra LS. This is my 1996 Acura Integra LS. It's basically all stock. All it has is Megan Racing coilovers, some Avid rims. It has an Pexi catback exhaust, so it sounds a little bit louder, but it's not too loud, which is what I like about it. This car is my daily driver. Right now it's just sitting because I'm still going through some shit with my insurance, and yeah. So I'll give you a rundown on the car, what it was, or how it was before. Right now it's completely all stock. Before I had it with a eBay turbo kit running at 7 PSI of boost. It was fun with the turbo. Sunday I'm having someone come over to help me do the engine swap. So the guy that's coming over, he bought like a couple of cars from me. He wants to buy the shell from me, so I made him a deal if he helps me do the swap, put this swap in my Integra. I'll just let him have the shell of the EM1.
Video, bro.
So today I got it started, the battery charged. Today we're gonna change the hood. My VisRacing carbon fiber hood. I'm gonna put it on with the help of my friend.
Can I put my dick in it?
Yeah. With the help of my friend Benji, we're gonna put this hood on. And yeah. We got it. We got the carbon fiber hood on. It only took like 20 minutes thanks to the help of him. Instagram's gonna be right here.
That's
Ooh,
dope as fuck, bro.
This should look clean. I got my bitch cleaning it for me. This thing looks so much better with the carbon fiber hood, I swear.
Slick from the past on the flow, tell a bitch steady, go ahead and break it down low. Thoughts fast moving like they on speed dial, and I tell you that I wanna take your clothes off slow. Bad bitch, look articulated. Said you coming fast, but you never made it. Said move that ass down low. Let me see shit.
Hey Benji, you know what that thing is? You know what that is?
Isn't it like to help you like learn how to beat your dick?
No, that's the AC.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's the AC.
Should I turn it on?
No, I think we should just leave it right there. I got my carbon fiber hood on. This Sunday, we're gonna do the engine swap. Put that on. So yeah, Integra project. I hope you guys enjoy.
It's cold like Minnesota, bro. Hey, but this is something I gotta tell you. I'm more of a Mopar guy.
A Dodge guy?
Yeah.
Faggot.